Basically, we have a nice quality of the all-purpose flour. Is the T55 is the high quality of the flour you can find also in the market. If you cannot find this one in the market, use the regular all-purpose flour. But the one I'm using is the German flour. Okay. Now next, you're gonna put some water. Then next one, you're gonna put sunflower oil or some vegetable oil. Don't use olive oil because the olive oil is a bitter taste. Okay. Sunflower oil. Okay. Next, you're gonna use the vinegar. Vinegar is right here. The secret of the vinegar for the dough, this is the elastic of the dough. Some other chef, you use the dry yeast. Okay, now we can put some salt, so additional flavor, yeah. Okay, now we can mix all together. Sometimes you don't want to make a mess in your kitchen because sometimes when you make a dough, you have a lot of mess in the kitchen, especially in the table. You can find the ready dough in the market. One is the puff pastry dough or the pillow dough. Pillow dough is easy to find in the market. But basically, when you use the pillow dough, you need to use 3 times because it's like a paper. Every layer, you need to put some clarified butter, layer by layer. Then after that, we start to roll it with the filling of apple. Now we can mix all together. Don't be shy. Then after we mix everything, the mixture, we need to rest at least 30 minutes for the room temperature to cover by plastic film or some tablecloth. Now we need to mix a little bit. Mikey, can you help me mix a little bit? He's the expert for the dough. Sometimes you can use by hand, or if you have some small mixture in your home, it's better. See what we do with Mikey? To make a little bit more massage, you can feel the dough, how the elastic of the dough. Now you can feel also, madam, how to feel the dough. And sir, you can feel also the dough. How is the feel? You can massage a little bit, yeah.
Go ahead, family.
Ladies first. You can do it, use by 2 hands, yes. Don't forget about, don't worry about, later you're gonna clean your hand. You can make a massage a little bit. Will you sir also? Give it to the next one. Okay, this is the dough. It's not yet ready, but you need to rest at least 30 minutes. Everybody can see. Now after 30 minutes, Mikey, abracadabra. See the difference of the dough. Alright. So this is already rest more than 1 hour. Basically, at least you need to rest for 30 minutes only. Now the dough is ready. Now what I need to keep on the side. Now it's time to make filling. Now you need to switch now. Okay. Now the one you're using is apple Granny's meat. So again, so you take care of the mixture. And then you can put everything here. First you put the apple. Now I use the apple Granny's meat. You need to peel the apple. So we have 2 ways how to cut it. One, you can cut cubes or you make a shredded. Then I make the cubes one. Next one, you put also this raisin. Raisin is also, we can soak it with the rum. It's better, it's additional aroma flavor. And next one, you're gonna put also the breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs, the purpose of the breadcrumbs to absorb the water from the apple. Or you can find in the bakery, the ready one breadcrumbs. Or if you have leftover bread, just make it warm a little bit. And after that, put in the blender. And you have already homemade breadcrumbs. So next one, you put some crusted walnut. So if you don't like the walnut, you can use another different kind of nut. So it's up to you. Next, you put some lemon zest. That is for additional aroma flavor. Lemon zest is the skin of the apple. You can shred it or you can chop it. Sometimes you have a zester you can find in the market. It's easy to use with the zester. So next one, you're gonna use also this white sugar. Or if you can use also the brown sugar or honey. Okay. Next is cinnamon ground. And now we're gonna mix everything there. We have some, I will tell you the secret how to make the exactly when you make the filling of the apple strudel. It's not written there, but I will show you the secret. Basically, after I make everything, the mixture, everything in the bowl, you need to cook this one a little bit more in the non-sticky pan for 10 minutes. Because once you cook, the water is going out. And after that, you need to strain, to rest a little bit, to cool down. And after that, the water is going down. So no water anymore when you put in the filling. Now I'll show you now and before and after. So this is one is written in the recipe. But I will tell you the secret to make much better apple strudel. See, after I cook for 10 minutes, I cool down. Look at the filling. It's like a paste. It's not written there, but I tell you the secret. Mostly all the recipe, we have a secret how to make perfect. So I'll tell you already the secret and the perfect how to make the apple strudel. Now the dough is ready. No, the filling now is ready. Now it's time to roll it. Who want to use the rolling pin? Alright, now it's time to switch again. Now I have a tablecloth here. Now we need to put some that's of all-purpose flour. The purpose of this is it's not sticky, the dough in the tablecloth.
Yeah.
Alright, this is the ready dough. I give you in the middle. First you use the all-purpose flour in your hand. Now take it from the bowl.
Or cook in a non-stick pan for 10 minutes because it reduces the water. Then you can strain it.
Also the rolling pin, you need to put also some all-purpose flour. Now it's time to roll it. See the peeling of the, you can peel the dough, it's very soft, now it's easy to roll it. Now I need as thin as possible. Yeah, just push it a bit more harder. Push it. Okay, now you need to do twist on the other side. Okay, keep rolling.
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
See, very easy. Yeah? Push it a bit more. You're almost there. See what happens if you don't put the all-purpose flour, you're gonna stick it here. Like that, in the stomach.
I roll
Even
from the center.
switch from the other side. Okay, we're gonna switch a little bit more for this dough. Oh, you're rolling it a bit more. You're almost there. Because later we need to cut also from the edge. I need a square one. Okay, this is enough. Now I cut from the edge. I need to cut the square one. Now I have a leftover or trimmings. Don't throw this one because you're gonna use this one more time. And Mikey, my pastry chef, we're gonna show you one more time how to use the leftover dough. So again, you need to make a massage again. Look what we did, Mikey. So no wasted, you don't need to throw. You're gonna use one more time. See? So now, the dough is ready. Now it's time to put the filling now in the middle. So we have two ways how to put the filling. One you can put in the middle, or you can spread all over the dough. The easy one is better put everything in the middle. I'll use this one. Okay. Make it straight. Mikey, can you assist? Now I need two persons here to make a roll. Oh, this. Yes. Okay, sir. Sir, you can hold at the side here. Okay, man, you hold from this side. I show you the trick how to roll it easy. Okay, you start from here. Look at this, very easy. See, very easy because you put also some all-purpose flour in the bottom. It's not stick in the tray, in the tablecloth. Now we need to put in the baking tray. When you put in the baking tray, you can put also some butter in the bottom or some pan coating, at least not sticky. Then after that, you're gonna brush with egg wash. Egg wash is a combination of egg and water. Okay, put in the middle, Mikey. The purpose of the egg wash is make a nice golden brown color. Because in America or in the US, you're gonna use the Fahrenheit is 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Because here in Europe, you use the Celsius, is 180 or 200 Celsius for 30 minutes. Where's the ready one? Okay, this is enough. So this is one is ready to put in the oven for 30 minutes.
Prep time, cook time 30 minutes.
So I show you abracadabra. Sir, can you hold this one, the roll? And after 30 minutes, abracadabra. So the good thing, we have also tasting for everybody, the apple strudel. Then I put also some additional vanilla sauce on the side of apple strudel. If you have any question, let me know. I'll give you the right answer. Thank you very much. I hope you learned something about the apple strudel. Thank you very much. Now it's time to make tasting. You can go to the